An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. With this amazing quote by Benjamin Franklin, I would like to wish you all a amazing, very pleasant morning. Today, I am going to share some tips about success mantras for studies. Now, don't take it too literal. They are not some magic spells by Harry Potter which will help you just like remind the whole textbook. They are just some tips which can help you improve in studies. So, first is you should actually complete your assignments and missing homeworks. They gives you extra credit in everything, and when you scour through internet and books while searching for the information of the assignments and homework, so then you will find some extra knowledge which might be helpful for the future. Second, you should make a timetable which helps you do everything according to time. I personally use it during exam time because it helps me prepare which subject which I have to do on which date and which time. And the third, you should actually understand the concept instead of just mugging up the answers and questions. In 3rd, 4th, 5th grade, I actually used to just like mug up the answers in every subject. I got like 90, 85 and all. But from 6th grade, my old nemesis, means my old principal who left the school 3 years ago, came back, and as she hates children, she asked the teacher to not only take the answers from textbook exercises but take them from the current affairs, from newspapers, from inside the chapters. So like first PT2 exam of 6th grade, I got like only 79% or something. So from that day I realized that I should not mug up and understand the answers of the questions. So if you want to use them, it will really help you improve. My studies have been really improved. I was never doing the assignments in 7th grade as it was online, and I always said that I sent it, but you did not got it because it was online. So teachers believed me actually. But now in 8th grade, I am starting to do that, and my efforts that I put in my studies are really paying off. Thank you very much.